This is part 2 of the summer fashion haul where I'm featuring the beautiful maxi dresses that I've got. If you haven't seen part 1, I will share the link up above. Please do check that out. I love maxi dresses, like I said in the earlier video, because they are loose, they are comfortable, they are trendy. I can style them in multiple ways. So I'll take you right through it. Hi, I'm Parna Ganesh and I welcome you back to Joy Geeks, my channel where I create beauty and wellness stuff, lots of lipstick swatches, makeup, skincare, and now this is a fashion video, part 2. This is a summer fashion haul. I have featured tons of maxi dresses in part 1. If you haven't seen that, I will share that link up above. This is part 2 because there were quite a few dresses. I decided to just split up the video. I won't take much of your time. Like I said, I really like maxi dresses because they're loose, they're comfortable, they're trendy. I can style them in different ways. If it's a little more, dressy, I can wear that to even to a wedding. If it's more casual, I can keep it to, a daily wear. I can add a fancy stole on it and it can be a party wear. So it's so versatile. I'll take you right through today's video. So I'm going to be starting with what I am wearing right now. This is a dress from Here and Now. It's this beautiful white fit and flare kind of a dress which has this beautiful floral print going on it. I really like it. I love that it's so strappy, so it makes it very summery, and the strap is of course adjustable, so that's wonderful. It has this zip closure here, which is how it is so fitted on the top, so I like that. It is knee length, it's not too long. This is actually what I used to wear all the time. The long maxi dress is something which I just recently started getting, but this is the kind of dress that I have been wearing in all these years. But now that I have shifted to Coimbatore, I decided to increase the length of my dress, which is why I went and got far more maxi dresses, and I found it that it is very comfortable. This doesn't have pocket, but it's a very pretty, dainty, feminine kind of a dress, which I think I could wear anywhere. If I want, I can add a denim jacket to it. It would look so lovely, and I can add a stole to it. I can keep changing the earrings, but yeah, you can style this up. Anyway, this dress costed me only 800 bucks, and I saved about 1192. So I think it was a 2000 rupees dress and I got for 800, which is I think a great deal. I find the material also very comfortable, and you will find more details of all the garments that I'm showing you in the description box, because I will share those Myntra links. My size, what I'm wearing, is small. You can check out the description to see what works for you. This is a beautiful grey dress. This is Liva fabric that I love because it's so versatile. I've had Liva fabric dresses for a while and they last and last and last, and they're super comfortable. So I love Liva dresses. This is from Melange Lifestyle, and I love this embroidery on this. The embroidery is so beautiful. I love grey, if you haven't noticed already. So this is a solid block kind of a grey dress. It's a fit and flare dress. I don't necessarily need a belt, but if you want, you can add. I have shown it to you how it would be with both. And of course, again, this has strap. This is not adjustable, but it fit me perfectly fine, so I wasn't complaining. And I love the flare. It has this little pattern on the fabric, so it is like a self design. Can you see? And I like this. I love this. In fact, it's very trendy. It's very me. When I saw this dress, I was like, just a perfect blend of being feminine, and the grey of it made it very classy for me. Oh, this I didn't buy online actually. This I bought from the store at full price. Honestly, I got this for $15.99 from Lifestyle, and I'm in the size medium. But if I find this online, I will share the links. Let me pick the next dress. This is Biba's dress. Again, beautiful indigo and blue. I love this kind of stuff for summer wear. It has this beautiful detailing of red piping in the bottom. It has a solid navy blue lining, so you don't have to worry about it being transparent. Now, the top of it is hosiery and the bottom is cotton. It's a very interesting mix because then the top of it is very fitted. I like that, and it has this kind of a print on it, which is lovely. It has these colors and it has a little detailing. You don't need a belt for this because it already has this detailing which makes it snug in your waist and gives you that shape. And it is very flare. It has that ghera. You will twirl around and have that beautiful effect, and not too much. See, for me, I love a little ghera, but not too much. I think too much becomes too heavy for me, and then it's like very dressy for me. I'm not the anarkali fan, to be honest. So I normally like A-line or straight cuts. This is the first time I have got this, but I actually really like this. It's cotton. It has this print in the front, and at the back it's a high back, printed piece there. This I got for 1979, which is almost 2,000 bucks, and I saved 1320. So this cost 3,000 something. 3,500 is what I feel generally Biba dresses cost, and then when I get from Myntra, I get it at a huge discount, so I like that. It is a dress from Lifestyle Milan. Again, now I've already worn this dress and I don't remember how much this cost because I've thrown away the tag and I bought this online. But I love this detailing. I love that it's black. It is grey and white, which I love. It has this detailing of wooden buttons at the back. Very comfortable dress, but you can get a better fit with a belt. It has two pockets. It has that A-line kind of a fit, which is a fit and flare again. But let me warn you, this is pure cotton, and somehow this material I feel is very tough to iron. So even though I've tried, I don't think it's ironed too well. If that's okay for you, you can go and get this. And I do find on Myntra that there are far more dresses with the same fabric, which looks very cool as well, and which is on sale. So I will link that below, so you can see that. And I am in the size medium. So this is a beautiful dress again. I quite like this. I've worn this and washed it, and it's not shrunk or anything. It's just fitting me fine. Let me move to a bright dress. This is a really bright red dress from Melange Lifestyle. I'm the size medium. I liked this little detailing of the embroidery that they have, just to add a little detail there. I really liked it. You can wear this without a belt, and this material, I would say, is pretty thin. You don't necessarily need a slip if you're not too conscious, but if you're conscious, please wear a slip, because when you come against the sun rays, that's when you can see out and out. But I wear a cycling short as usual, and I just walk out. And this is 3/4 sleeve. Initially when I bought this, I thought, am I going to be comfortable in this long sleeve? But actually the fabric is very comfortable, and this cost me $13.19 and I saved $8.80. So not too much of discount, but I liked it. I wanted one red, and I think it's a blazing red. It makes you look really hot. I think so. And very comfortable as well. I like it. Doesn't red look nice on me? You can always tone it down by wearing a subtle lipstick, not put too much makeup if you feel red is too strong a color for summers. Now the next one truly is a summer dress. I feel you will think of Goa when you look at this dress, and that is a dress from Mango. Mango is my favorite brand, and this is a very light powder blue and white dress which has a beautiful detailing on the sleeve. It has this ruffle on the sleeve. It has a beautiful deep V-neck, which is not too deep that you can't wear, but I really like it. And it has this tie-up at the waist, so I don't need an extra belt. And the length is slightly longer, which is that, maxi dress kind of a thing. And some may say it's for, older women and stuff, but no, I really like it on me. And it's very comfortable, very summery. But you may feel that this is slightly on the expensive side for the way it looks. It looks too simple, but that's the beauty of Mango. It looks very wearable and simple, and the materials of Mango, I feel, just lasts for a really long time. I got this for $2,096 and I saved $2,493. So this cost, the original cost of $4,000, I would not have picked this up at $4,000, to be very honest. Even $2,000 for the way this looks seems slightly pricey for me, but because it's Mango and I love Mango, I went right ahead and got it, and I am not complaining. I loved it. I have worn this. I have washed it. So what they're calling is it a women white and blue floral print sustainable mid A-line dress with tie-up. I'm not sure what they mean when they say sustainable. I think there's a whole line they have, which is why it's a little more expensive than normal. I think it would probably have to do with the way it's been made, which is more environmental friendly. So I'm happy to have this. I am in the size small. And I know it's going to last me a really long time. And I think even my younger daughter can be wearing this if, you just take care of it and keep it safely. So this is a very, very pretty dress, I feel. Yeah, and as usual, like I said, please do check all the details in the description box. All the links will be there, so you can check it out and see what size would fit you. I will move to the next dress, which is again a beautiful blue dress from Biba. It has this beautiful detailing at the neck, and it has this, embroidery work at the chest, which I love. It's a turquoise blue, which has many shades of it in the entire dress, and you can see, right? It's a little transparent. Even when I'm just holding it up, if there is too much sun, you'll be able to see the shape of your legs. But if you're conscious, please wear a slip underneath. I am not. I just wear a cycling shorts and get out. Now this also has a 3/4 sleeve, and it has that detailing at the end of the sleeve, which I like. It's a high neck at the back. It has this little pattern going on here. You can see it has 3 shades. It has many shades of blue through the dress. I really like this. This cost me $13.79. Now normally Biba has a lining, this one doesn't, please note. And it was on a sale. I saved $9.20, so not too much of a sale, but not bad at all, because it's very wearable. The cotton is lovely, and I will be making a lot of wear out of these. These are all dresses I have got from Myntra, and I love to shop from Myntra because I am an online shopper to begin with, and their return and exchange terms are very easygoing. It's a no-brainer. It's very smooth at their end, so I really like that. I have been buying from Jabong earlier and now Myntra a lot because it's very convenient for me. Do not forget to hit subscribe button and like this video if you like it. That is going to be a big one for me, because I need to know if you're enjoying these kind of videos. Only if you do enjoy it and I get enough likes will I make more. Because if you don't want to watch it, there's no point of making it, right? So these were all the beautiful dresses I had to share with you. Please, when you wear these and style them, send me pictures. I would love to share that on my Instagram handle, and it is Joy Geeks if you're not following me there. So let me know, and I'm always happy to hear your comments with hashtag Team Joy Geeks. Thank you so much for all the love. Please keep that coming, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Take care.